Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, we are here with another question in which we will solve the value of x, or we have to find the value of x. So the given equation is x upon 7 equals to x minus 3 upon 2. So since the given equation is rational equation, so what we will do here, we will apply the cross multiplication rule for this equation. Okay, so 2 will be multiplied with x and 7 will multiply with x minus 3. So let's start. 2 into x equals to 7 x minus 3. So after multiplication we will get 2x and 7x, and 2 7 and 2 minus 3 will be what? Minus 21. Okay, now we have to find the value of x, so we will solve this 2x and 7x. Here 2x will go there, it will become minus 2x, and minus 21 will go there, so it will become 21 plus 21. Okay, and it will become 7x minus 2x. Okay, we can write it here as 7x minus 2x equal to 21. Okay, 7x minus 2x will be what? 5x equals to 21. So after this, what we have to do is here 5 is multiplying x. When it goes there, it will divide 21. So 21 upon 5. So 21 is not the divisible of 5. If you want to stop your answer here, it will be okay. Or if you further divide the number 21 with 5, the answer will comes in decimal, so the answer will be 4.2. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. For more videos, subscribe to the channel and share it with your